Well, welcome to the Startup Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, the host of the show, where we talk about raising funding for your startup and the time it takes to have an espresso. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot of startup funding and investing. After building your financial model, you can use it in several ways. Here's a list of use cases. Raising funding for the business by determining how much you need to raise and when. Generate financial forecasts and projections for managing the business. Project key financial statements such as profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. Setting up budgets for daily management of the business, particularly around cash flow. Determining hiring decisions, including what roles to fill and when. Setting strategic plans for growing the business. Estimating the value of the business for negotiating acquisitions by other companies. And an up-to-date financial model is a must-have for every startup. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start us something today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early-stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.